Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your XApp settings to see sensitive content. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll share two methods with you. The first one is quick and simple, but it doesn't always work. The second one is guaranteed to work, though it might be a bit more detailed. First, we need to ensure that the XApp is up to date. Go to the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store, search for the XApp, and check if there's an update available. If there is, update the app. Using the latest version ensures that all settings and features are available. Once the app is updated, open X and log into your account. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From there, scroll down and tap Settings and Support to expand the menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Inside the settings, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section contains everything related to your account's privacy. Now tap on Content You See. Here you'll find three options: Explore Settings, Search, and Sensitive Media. Start by selecting Sensitive Media. Under this option, you'll see three categories: graphic violence, adult content, and other. Tap each category one by one. For each of these, you'll have three options: Warn, Show All, and Never. To fully enable sensitive content, select Show All for each category. This ensures you can view all types of sensitive media without any warnings or restrictions. After adjusting these settings, go back and tap on Search Settings. Here, make sure the toggle for Hide Sensitive Content is turned off. This ensures sensitive content will also appear in your search results. If you don't see these options in your XApp, don't worry. The next method involves using your browser. Open any browser on your Android or iPhone device. Go to twitter.com and log in with the same account. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner again and go to Settings and Privacy. Just like before, tap Privacy and Safety, and then tap on the option Content You See. Here, click on Search Settings. Here, make sure the toggle for Hide Sensitive Content is turned off. This ensures sensitive content will also appear in your search results. Once you've made these changes in the browser, allow a few minutes for the settings to sync with the XApp on your device. After that, open the app again and start browsing. Sensitive content will no longer be hidden. So that's basically how you can change your XApp settings to see sensitive content. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.